how to join Shein affiliate program. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join Shein affiliate program. Hello and welcome to our channel. To properly understand in this tutorial, I'm going to show you in this video in order to join a Shein affiliate program, you should know about the background or information details about this platform. So basically, Shein is an international fast fashion e-commerce platform that specializes in affordable clothing, accessories, and other fashion items, in which it was founded in 2008 by Chris Su in Nanjing, China, in which this platform Shein quickly gained popularity worldwide, particularly among young adults due to its wide range of trendy and budget-friendly products, in which the company offers a vast selection of clothing items for women, men, and children, including dresses, tops, bottoms, swimwear, activewear, shoes, and accessories. In addition to fashion apparel, Shein also sells home decor, beauty products, and other lifestyle items. The company leverages data analytics and trends to quickly identify popular styles and designs, allowing them to rapidly produce and offer new products to their customer. But in this video, we're not going to shop in this Shein platform, but rather we're going to use this platform in order to earn money through affiliate program. And in joining affiliate program in Shein, we're going to use the website called cj.com, in which this website will help us to join an affiliate program in Shein. cj.com, also known as Commission Junction, is an affiliate marketing network in which it provides a platform for advertisers and publishers to connect and collaborate on affiliate marketing campaigns. cj.com acts as intermediary in the affiliate marketing process, in which it brings together advertisers who want to expand their reach and increase sales with publishers who have the audience and the marketing expertise to promote those products effectively. And it says here that cj.com trusted by the world's largest brands, since this platform provides the technological infrastructure, tracking tools, and reporting system necessary for advertisers and publishers to manage their affiliate marketing activities. And if you scroll down below until you find the footer section, you will see some other details about this platform. While on the very top, which is the top panel, you'll see here the platform, the advertiser, such as overview, platform, global opportunities, tech and innovation, and many more. While under the publisher, you will see the overview, tech and innovation, global opportunities, content solutions. While under the About Us section, you will see the stories, leaders, events, and many more. And if you're wondering what is affiliate, you can click this button in order to understand what is affiliate. And below here, you will see the meaning of affiliate, in which it says here the meaning of affiliate and why CJ is the best place where partnership and technology converge to create valuable shopping experience that result in scalable, profitable growth. And below that details, it will show you about the publisher partners, advertiser partners, and about CJ, which is the most trusted name in global performance marketing. And you will also see here some benefits including instant scale, you're in control, transparency at your fingerprints, and higher returns. And if you're wondering how affiliate program works, you will see it in here, in which the first thing that you need to do is to join, followed by collaborate, promote, reward, and finally, you can grow or help advertisers and publishers in order to optimize for growth. And now that we know about the details of this affiliate using CJ, we can now start creating our account by clicking the sign up button, which is located on the top right corner. And after you create an account in cj.com, the next thing that you need to do is to log in by clicking this login button. And after logging in or signing in, you will be directed in this dashboard, in which on the dashboard of cj.com, you will see the performance summary, the messages below, the network stats, including your earnings and advertisers. You can also see on the top panel the option including account, advertisers, links, widgets, reports, and many more, in which under the account option, you will see your administrative settings, network profile, and many more. But in those options, kindly click the advertisers. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this, in which under the advertisers section, you will see here some of the company or brands that you can apply in order to join to affiliate program, which is as you can see here on the right side panel. But since we're trying to join to Shein affiliate program, all you need to do is to go to left side panel and on the search bar under advertisers and keywords, kindly enter or type the word Shein, in which it will show you the search result and just click on it. And after that, just proceed by clicking the search button below. And after that, you will see on the right side panel the Shein brand, including the network earnings, while below is the more information about this brand, including its name, contact, email address, country, URL, currency, and even its social media account. And aside from that, below you will see the date when they joined the network, the category, the serviceable area, which is all the country that this platform available. And aside from that below, you will see the description about this platform. But that is just only under the more info section, since you can also see the program terms by clicking on this section, in which it will show you the details including action, description, and referral period. And you can also see here the percentage of commission that you will get in promoting their brand. And the commission that says here is 10%. And aside from that, you will also see the policy or the things that you are allowed to do and not allowed to do. And it will also show you some of the things that you need to consider. And below here, some of the allowed action, including incentivized traffic, email, sub-affiliates, social media, which means that you are allowed to promote a conjunction with traditional websites, which is says here under the social media section. And below are some of the miscellaneous special instruction. And aside from those details, you can also see navigate the relationship history and the link accounts of this Shein brand. But in order to join an affiliate program in Shein, just click this button that says Apply to Program, in which by clicking on it, it says here that your application will be manually reviewed by the advertiser. But before you apply to this program, make sure that you complete your account or the onboarding checklist and activate the account before you can apply to join advertiser programs. But after you apply and submitted an application, all you need to do is to wait for its confirmation. And I would say you need to wait at least 1 to 3 days. But if you want to know the status of your application, just click on this left side panel, Status, and proceed by clicking the Pending Application, in which it will show you if your application has been approved or not. However, if the confirmation has been sent to your email address, you can start promoting the affiliate program of Shein. And you also need to create a link trackers by clicking this link and proceed by clicking Link Tools, in which you can generate your link trackers. But in terms of payment, your commission will be sent to this cj.com, in which Shein will transfer your commission to cj.com, and from cj.com you will receive and withdraw your commission. So that is just how to join Shein affiliate program. Thank you.